Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine at your home. In this video, we will tell you about Microsoft Word. First of all, you have to click on start button. After that, all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word 2007. Okay, in the last video, we have done the tables options of insert menu. Okay, in this, we will tell you about the options regarding page and illustrations. Okay, insert menu. First is cover page. Let us assume that you have make some of the notes and you want to give it a good cover page, means the page before index you want to give it. So I'm just clicking on cover page. There are so many inbuilt pages are available here. You can choose any one out of them. Now I'm just choosing one page. Okay, click on this. It will look like this. If you want to insert here, you can insert here. Okay, type the document title. If you want to give the any document title to the file, you can also give it. I'm just writing GRIS. Okay, if you want to change the author name, you can type here. If you want to type the name of the company, you can also type. And if you want to give a specific date of that particular document, you can type here. Okay, this was our cover page. Okay, Control A and Shift and delete. Now we have blank page. Now next is blank page. Look, what is the use of blank page? Look here, this is the option blank page. Now look on here, this is page 1 of 1. Now whenever I will click on blank page, look like this, then the page will increase. Now I'm just clicking on blank page, page 2 of 2. If I will click it again, then you can see page 3 of 3, means there are 3 pages now and our cursor is blinking in the page number 3. That's why it is showing page 3 of 3. Whenever I click on the first page, then it will show you page 1 of 3. Okay, our next option is page break. I'm just typing something. Now I'm just typing computer. Okay, now assume that our cursor is before computer. Okay, whenever I will click on page break, what will happen? The document which is after the cursor will go to the next page. Page break. You can see in the first page only 3 lines are there, but the line before which our cursor was is not available here on the page number 1. Now let's go to the page number 2. Yes, our cursor was before computer and this is page number 2 of 4. It has also inserted one more page and it is showing you that your document is now at page number 2. Okay, after that we have completed tables already. Now we will do picture option. Okay, for this I am just selecting all the documents. After deleting, where our cursor will blinks, the picture will be inserted there. First of all, I am just clicking on the picture option. From this we have to choose any one picture, click on that picture and click on insert. Now the picture is inserted. You can resize the picture whenever you will click outside the picture. Okay, everything is normal, review and view, but whenever you will click on the picture, you can see one more option is available there with the format, with the name format. So the format will work on the picture only. Whenever you will click inside that picture, then you can see the format option. Okay, if you want to change the size of the picture, we can click on these dots and drag the picture. Okay, now that is brightness. Whenever you will click on this option, now I'm just clicking on 40. You can change, you can see the brightness of the picture has changed now. Whenever I will click it on plus 40, what will happen if I will click it on minus 40? Okay, and when it will be on 0, it's normal. Okay, now that is contrast. When I will click it on 40% plus, what will happen? Look here, whenever it will be 0% means normal, and whenever it will be minus 40%. Okay, now the next is recolor. If you want to change the color of the picture, you can use it. I'm just clicking on different types of colors are available here. Whenever you will click, the picture will be look like that. Okay, now compress picture. Okay, nothing will be changed in this, but if you want to send this file to anyone, you can also compress it. After that, it will take less space. Okay, screen 150 ppi and okay, nothing will be changed. It will remain the same, but the size will decrease. And after that, if you want to change picture, you can change the picture also. I'm just clicking on this picture and insert. Now the picture has changed. If you will click on the reset picture, all the formattings, whatever you have done on that picture will change. Now I'm just clicking recolor on this picture like this, and whenever I will click on reset picture, what will happen? The picture is reset now. Okay, means all the settings which were applied by us now has changed. Now the next option is picture style. Click on here. You can see so many styles are available here, and I'm just choosing one style out of them. Then it will look like this. Okay, and one more option is available here, that is you will choose picture shape. What will happen? We can give it any type of shape. Okay, if you want to give it the picture border, you can choose any one color. You can also wait for the line, and in picture you can also give the border. Okay, picture effect, so many effects are also available here. You can choose any one according to, that is reflection. Now you can easily watch the reflection. Okay, so subscribe my YouTube channel and do the work on your computer or laptop. Okay.